so I'm gonna be doing my very first unboxing of anything. I pre-opened it with this because I didn't want it to take unnecessary time. So let's get to it. I am by no means sponsored. I paid for this thing, and I'm a pretty normal person. I don't have like a YouTube channel or anything like that. So, I mean I do, but I'm not very famous or anything, or a blogger. So let's get to it. Nice. So the first thing we have is some sort of magazine. Oh, okay, so I think this is gonna tell me what is in my box, and I don't wanna see, so maybe let's get to seeing. Alright. Cute. Okay. Wow. So, first thing here that I see is a Tarte Pro To Go palette. So it has, I want to say, it's an eyeshadow palette. That's cool. Sex Kitten lip liner or eyeliner? What is this? Liquid liner. Ooh, I don't use that, but oh well. Cool. Pier 1 imports. I'm using one hand, so it's hard. Cool. Oh, it's like a dish. Cute. It's a plate. It's a dish, probably for putting my rings, jewelry. That's cute. What's that? A straight resistance band? Okay, cool. Oh. Luna Faux Pearl Pink. Let's see what this is. If I can open that. Ah. Oh, it's for you, Luna Faux Beauty Coach. It's a cleansing brush. I've seen these. I'm not exactly sure what they do, but I think they're kind of expensive, so cool. And I got a pink one. Very cool. Okay. Cool sport. It's a sunscreen. Sunscreen? Nice. What is that? Okay, so some items actually, it let you choose what you wanted. So I want to say I chose this because they had another body caviar. I remember that. I remember making me choose between this, a ring, or something like that. So that's cool. That's what I got, which I knew about it. So ensign peel. Cool. And the options were a towel for this, and I chose to make a bag. So that is also something I had to choose. So it's pretty cool. I think this is by that YouTuber girl. I don't know. Fawn. I forgot her name. So okay, it's just a little cosmetic bag, which I always need. Cool. I paid 29 or 39. Probably 29 because I had a code. So whatever the regular price, I paid $10 less. So this is all I got, and it looks totally worth it because I think this is like 40 bucks by itself. Don't quote me on that. And there you go. There you go. I've never done a subscription, and I think it's pretty worth it, and I like Tarte, so I'm pretty stoked about these. So there it is.